Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox. You need parent permission. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, here's how it works. Let's say that you are trying to play a game here. I'll do this one as an example, but it is locked as you can see right here. Once you click on Join to join this experience, you need parent permission. If you click on Ask Now, what this is going to do is send an email to your parent, and if they accept it, you can play this game. If you're not certain how this works, you go to Settings, and now go to Parental Controls, and an email will be sent to this address, the one that is linked to your account. So how can we fix this? What you want to do is go into the email address itself, and once you have accessed the email address, it is going to look like this. Your child would like to update their content maturity from minimal to whatever. So click on Review here, and you will need to have access to the parent account, or just ask your parent to do this. So here it's going to ask for the change in age rating, and once you click on Approve, it is going to tell us that the settings have been updated. Now what we can do is go back in. I'm going into the child account now, so give me some time. And as you can see now, it's going to tell us that the settings have been updated, and if I try to play the same game here, it should work now. So click on that game. All right, as you can see, now you can play it. So that's basically how you can fix Roblox. You need parent permission. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.